In this video, we're going to go over how to edit and add to the important news section of the site. So we're going to log in, and each news item is actually set up as a post. So go to Posts, select the published posts. These are the 3 news items that are currently showing up. And if I go into one of these, you see it's set up pretty simply. Got some basic text here, chosen the category as news, and there's a featured image that's chosen, and that featured image is the image that will show up on the post itself, and then also as the thumbnail next to the news post on the home page. And so if you need to add a new post, simple enough to add a new one, give it a title, put some text in there, choose news as the category, set a featured image, and of course when you're finished, hit publish. And that's essentially it. The only other piece to show you is on the home page. If we go into the home page directly and edit that, and we come into this important news area, you can see here, this is where it's set up right now to show 3 posts at a time on the home page. If you wanted to increase that, you could, or decrease it, you could. But essentially for now, 3 posts at a time will show up on the home page automatically. So that's it. The news and events section is actually pretty simple. So I will, again, continue on with another topic in another video. Thank you.